In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Canva as an app. If you're in Windows 11, you should have access to the Microsoft Store. So go ahead and click on that and then search for Canva. It should appear the first or second on the list. Click on it and then click on install. And then it should be able to install from here. If you're not on Windows, however, go to your preferred browser and then type in canva.com. Make sure you log into your preferred account. After you're logged in, click on your profile icon on the bottom left of the screen and then get the Canva apps. Once you're here, you're going to see a download Canva for Windows 1, but you can also get it on Mac OS, iOS, Android, and Chromebook. So here you can see all the downloads. For iOS, of course, you can get it as an app on the phone. And for Android, same thing, Google Play. And this is for Chromebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.